In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mic not working on Steam. If your friends can't hear you in voice chat or your mic seems dead inside Steam, we'll walk through the key settings and a quick driver check to get you talking again, fast and clearly. First, open Steam. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu, choose Settings, and head to the Voice section. This is the control center for everything microphone related in Steam, so keeping it open while you test will save time. Start by choosing the correct input device from the drop-down. Pick the exact microphone you're using, especially if your PC lists multiple options like a headset, a USB mic, or a webcam mic. If you don't see your mic listed, unplug and replug it, wait a moment for Windows to recognize it, and then check the drop-down again. With the right device selected, use the input volume slider. Start the microphone test, speak at a normal level, and watch for the meter to move smoothly into the green without constantly peaking. You should hear your voice played back. If it sounds faint, nudge the slider up. If it's distorted or clipping, lower it a bit. Aim for a clear, consistent signal that doesn't spike on every breath. Next, set your voice transmission type. If you prefer your mic to stay on whenever you speak, choose open microphone and set the activation threshold so casual background noise, like keyboard clicks or a fan, isn't triggering it. Talk softly and loudly while adjusting to find a comfortable sweet spot. If you want more control, choose push to talk and bind a key that's comfortable and not already used by your game. Many people choose a side mouse button or a nearby key you can press without moving your hand far. Press the key while testing to confirm your voice is captured, and make sure you can reach it easily during gameplay. If Steam is configured correctly but you're still not getting input, update your audio drivers. On Windows, open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Find your audio device such as a headset interface or a Realtek device, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Let Windows check for updates and apply any it finds. Consider checking both your headset device and your onboard audio if you use multiple inputs. A quick restart after updating can help the new driver take effect. Once you've adjusted the input device, tested the volume, thanks for watching.